Today, I'll show you how to use Grammarly effectively as an author. If you're looking to enhance your writing with more polished, engaging prose while maintaining your unique voice, you're in the right place. Grammarly isn't just for correcting grammar, it can be a powerful tool to elevate your manuscript. First, let's start by opening your manuscript on the web. Navigate to a descriptive paragraph where you feel the writing could be stronger or perhaps a bit clunky. This is where we'll focus our attention. Highlight the paragraph that you want to refine. You might notice a floating pencil or light bulb icon appearing nearby. This icon is your gateway to Grammarly's advanced editing features. Click on that icon to open Grammarly's command bar. Now, here's a tip that many authors overlook. Instead of using the standard corporate presets, you can type in specific creative writing prompts. For instance, if you want to intensify the mood or pace of your paragraph, try entering a command like, adjust the cadence of this paragraph to increase the underlying tension and sense of urgency. This targeted prompt can help you transform a good paragraph into a great one by honing in on the mood and flow that best fits the scene you're crafting. Once Grammarly has generated some suggestions, take a moment to review the text blocks it provides. Remember, these are meant to inspire you. Look for strong verbs and vivid imagery that resonate with your style. You have the final creative control, so feel free to borrow phrases or ideas that enhance your narrative without compromising your voice. The goal is to enrich your writing, not replace it. Next, open the Grammarly pop-up and take a look at the bottom part of the interface. Here, you'll find an option to check for plagiarism and AI-generated text. This is an important step, especially if you're weaving in new phrases and ideas. Even accidental plagiarism can be a concern, so it's always a good idea to run this check. It ensures that your work remains original and authentic, giving you peace of mind as you continue crafting your story. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use Grammarly as an author. By focusing on specific writing prompts and maintaining final creative control, you can harness the power of Grammarly to enhance your manuscript while preserving your unique voice. Whether you're aiming to add tension, clarify imagery, or smooth the flow of your narrative, Grammarly can be a valuable ally in your writing process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing.